JD-6855B 3-in-1 Oscilloscope integrates oscilloscope signal generator multimeter. Power on. Default to oscilloscope interface. Press FE to switch function quickly. You can also click menu. Select multimeter. Step 1. Know the sockets. Top black and red sockets. Use multimeter probes. Black probe black socket. Red probe red socket. Step 2. Select voltage mode. Multimeter defaults to DC voltage. Click to switch to AC voltage. This is a 3.7V battery. Let's test it. Touch probes to battery. Screen shows voltage. About 3.9V. Battery is good. JD-6855B Multimeter. Auto ranging. No need to change range manually. Very easy. Step 3. Measure AC voltage. This is a 220V socket. We can test it. Voltage between the two socket holes. By testing, we can tell. Is the socket broken? Or did the main breaker trip? Next episode, JD-6855B. Measuring DC and AC current with multimeter. Remember to follow me.